Ever wondered how to create a stunning 3D cartoon video from single prompt? Well, today's your lucky day. Stick around as I show you step by step how I made this amazing cartoon video. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. First, I asked ChatGPT to write me a realistic short story with an engaging narrator. I'm creating 3D animation for this story, featuring unique characters and captivating locations. I wrote a story with ChatGPT for experiment, but you can also create animation from your own story and ask ChatGPT to make it more engaging. When you create your story, then we'll go to LTX Studio. Yes, LTX Studio, which transforms your story into animation. Just give a prompt or story, and it will create an engaging story in minutes. But the problem with LTX Studio is that the free plan only gives you 3 minutes per month, which is very limited. However, I'll teach you how to make unlimited videos with it. If you haven't subscribed to Mr. B Tech yet, do it now. Thank you. Click on Start for free, then click on Sign in with email. Now go to the Tipmail website and copy the email from there. Paste it here and click on Send Code. You will receive the code on that Tipmail email. Click on Direct Login and your account will be created. When the minutes run out, just create a new account using Tipmail. Using this Tipmail method, you can continue creating unlimited videos. When your account is created, you will see 3 options. Start with Idea, which allows you to create prompts from LTX Studio, and Start with Script, where you will add your prompt or story, and LTX Studio will create the animation for it. In the last video, we made videos using LTX Studio prompts. Now we will create them from our script. Click on Input Text and add your story. Click on Next and wait a few seconds. Here, the characters from your story will be created, and you will find many styles and video style. However, I will choose the 3D model style because we want to create cartoon stories. If you don't like any character, you can remove it and edit it as well. Now it transformed the characters into 3D style. Click on Next again and wait for a few seconds. It will break down all the scenes in the story. Here, you can see it has broken down all the scenes very well and also mention the characters in each scene. If you want to make any changes, you can do so, but I will not make any changes and click on Start. And finally, your 3D cartoon video is ready. Here, you will see many options. I will explain the important options to you. At the top, you will find 2 options: Storyboard and Short Editor. In the storyboard, you will see all the shots in each scene, where you can make further changes to the entire scene as well as the shots. However, if you want to learn more about every setting or option in detail, you can watch video tutorials on YouTube because teaching you this would make the video very long. To generate the videos, you can generate all of them at once. Click on Preview and then click on Generate All. However, I do not recommend this because generating all videos at once will not give you better quality. To achieve better quality, you should generate one video at a time, but it takes a lot of time. So now it's your choice what you want to choose. I generated the videos and it took almost 34 minutes. Once you generate the videos, click on Preview and wait for a few seconds and you can watch your video. I know this is not the best video or up to our expectations, but it's not bad considering it's free. It generated everything itself: AI images, characters, and then the animation. Now, let's generate another video with a different story. This time, I asked ChatGPT to write a kid's cartoon story, adding a narrator. Now let's copy the story and paste it into LTX Studio, following the same method I showed you. Click on Input Text and paste the story. Click on Next, and you see, it generates the characters and story. Choose 3D model and click on Next. Now click on Start, and now it will generate all scenes and shots. This time, I will generate all videos at once. Click on Preview, and then click on Generate All Videos. Wait for 3 to 4 minutes, and it will generate all the videos. To watch the video, click on Preview. Let's watch the video.
One sunny day, Timmy noticed something strange. The rainbow that usually arched across the sky had vanished. Timmy and Bella decided to search in the enchanted garden. They found a magical door at the base of a giant oak tree. Maybe someone inside could help. They flew to the cloud castle, where the clouds were soft and glowing. Maybe the rainbow was hiding there. The rainbow had gotten stuck in the cloud machine. After a lot of careful work, the rainbow was free and Timmy and Bella returned to Brightsville, where...
If you notice in the video, the voiceover isn't complete. LTX Studio allows only 112 words for free users to generate voiceover. I recommend adding the voiceover later in CapCut. And now let's create the last cartoon video. I wrote this story also using ChatGPT. Click on Next. And you can see it created all characters in 3D style. Click on Next. Click on Start, and let's generate all videos. Now click on Preview to generate all the videos. Click on Generate All, and wait for 3 to 4 minutes.
In a cozy little town, there lived a
cheerful kitten named Milo. Milo loved to explore and play. Milo was so excited by all the new smells and sights that he didn't notice how far he had wandered from home. Just then, 3 friends heard Milo's meow. After a little while, they spotted Milo's favorite toy, a small ball of yarn tangled in the bushes. With the help of his new friends, Milo soon saw his cozy little house. Milo was safe at home, thanks to his new friends. And from that day on, he made sure to stay close to home when exploring. And so, Milo's adventure ended with a happy heart and a cozy home.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what AI tool you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep creating and have fun.